Thank you, sir.
संक्षेप में बहुत अच्छा आपने मुस्लिम वाला
I am also working among a wide section of women, including the poorest and the most deprived. We have always upheld the rights of women to safe abortion, with the primary objective of ensuring the good health and well-being of women. The failure to adequately train and certify doctors in MTP procedures ensure guidelines are followed and ensure the services are widely available in public health facilities has denied women access to safe abortion services. Sir, it will truly address the needs of gender justice through the prism of reproductive rights. This will increase access of women to safe medical legal services and will thus reduce maternal mortality and morbidity arising out of unsafe abortions. The bill also seeks to strengthen provision for protecting the dignity and the privacy of women who seek the refuge of law when confronted with such a life-altering decision. Recent reports have shown that more than 10 women die every day due to unsafe abortion in India, and backward abortion laws only contribute to women seeking illegal and unsafe abortion. While the MTV Bill 2020 is a step in the right direction, it still fails to address most of the problems of the MTP Act. First, it does not allow abortion on request at any point after the pregnancy. Second, it does not take a step towards removing the prejudice against unmarried women by amending the relevant provision. It is true that factors such as a failure of or a grave injury are not required to be proved under MTP Act. So second, the MTP Act embodies a clear prejudice against unmarried women, according to explanation to provided under Section 3(2) of the Act. Third, due to advancements in science, fetal abnormalities can now be detected even after 20 weeks, now 24 weeks. However, the MTP Act presently allows abortion post 20 weeks only, where it is necessary to save the life of the mother. Sir, finally, I want to say that we have to recognize women's right before taking any final decision by ensuring the fundamental rights to privacy. We urge the government to act forward to restore women's access to services directed at the full gamut of reproductive health and rights, including access to abortion. Sir, I request to the bill sent to the Select Committee. Thank you.
Thank you.